Discover 5 completely free AI tools that can save you hours of work every single day. Starting with ChatGPT's hidden features, this AI goes beyond simple chatting. It can help you draft emails, brainstorm ideas, and even generate code snippets. Next up is Perplexity AI, a smart search engine that provides concise answers with sources. It's perfect for quick research and fact-checking, saving you time sifting through endless web pages. Gamma.app is an AI-powered presentation maker. It helps you craft stunning slides effortlessly by turning your notes into professional presentations. Remove.bg is a fantastic free tool that instantly removes backgrounds from images, simplifying photo editing and helping your visuals stand out in seconds. Finally, ElevenLabs offers advanced AI voice synthesis. Create natural-sounding voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or presentations with just a few clicks. Subscribe now for weekly AI tools and tips to keep saving time and working smarter.